Let's take a look at the top 15 most unusual festivals from around the world. La Tomatina, Buñol, Spain. Every year, in the small town of Buñol in Spain, people gather to throw overripe tomatoes at each other in a giant food fight. Boryeong Mud Festival, Boryeong, South Korea. In South Korea, the Boryeong Mud Festival is an annual event where participants cover themselves head to toe in mud. The festival is not just a chance to get dirty, but also to promote the health benefits of mud, as well as to have fun. Beta Breakers, San Francisco, United States. In San Francisco, the Beta Breakers race is a one-of-a-kind event that draws people from all over the world. Participants can run, walk, or even dance their way through the city, dressed in some of the most bizarre costumes you'll ever see. Kanemaru Matsuri, Kawasaki, Japan. The Kanemaru Matsuri, also known as the Festival of the Steel Phallus, is a strange but fascinating celebration in Kawasaki, Japan. The festival is a celebration of fertility and sexuality, and participants carry large wooden phalluses through the streets. Upheli AA, Shetland Islands, Scotland. In the Shetland Islands of Scotland, the Upheli AA Festival is a celebration of Viking culture. Participants dress up in full Viking gear and carry torches through the streets, culminating in a massive bonfire. Burning Man, Black Rock Desert, Nevada, United States. Every year, in the Black Rock Desert of Nevada, a city rises from the dust. Burning Man is a celebration of creativity, art, and self-expression, where participants leave behind their daily lives to build a community based on love, collaboration, and self-reliance. Day of the Dead, Mexico. The Day of the Dead is a Mexican celebration that honors the deceased. Participants create elaborate altars and masks, and take to the streets for parades filled with music, food, and dance. It's a colorful, joyful celebration of life, even in the face of death. Night of the Radishes, Oaxaca, Mexico. In Oaxaca, Mexico, the Night of the Radishes is an annual event where participants create intricate sculptures out of radishes. The festival is a celebration of the harvest and a display of the incredible talent and creativity of the local people. Holi, India. Holi, also known as the Festival of Colors, is a Hindu celebration that takes place every year in India. Participants throw colored powder and dance in the streets, celebrating the arrival of spring and the triumph of good over evil. Hadaka Matsuri, Okayama, Japan. The Hadaka Matsuri Festival in Okayama, Japan is a celebration where thousands of men gather dressed only in white loincloths to be the first to grab a pair of sacred sticks thrown into the crowd. The winner is said to be blessed with good luck and health for the coming year. It's a thrilling and unique celebration of Japanese tradition. Monkey Buffet Festival, Lopburi, Thailand. In Lopburi, Thailand, the Monkey Buffet Festival is a celebration of the city's monkeys. Participants set up a massive buffet of fruits, vegetables, and other treats, attracting thousands of monkeys to the city for a feast like no other. Cheese Rolling Festival, Gloucester, England. In Gloucester, England, the Cheese Rolling Festival is an annual event where participants race down a steep hill after a rolling wheel of cheese. It's a wild, chaotic celebration that has been going on for hundreds of years. Cooper's Hill Cheese Rolling and Wake, Gloucestershire, England. Similar to the Cheese Rolling Festival in Gloucester, the Cooper's Hill Cheese Rolling and Wake is an annual celebration where participants chase a wheel of cheese down a steep hill. It's a dangerous, but exhilarating event that attracts thousands of participants every year. Baby Jumping Festival, Castrillo de Murcia, Spain. In Castrillo de Murcia, Spain, the Baby Jumping Festival is a strange, but ancient celebration where men dressed as devils jump over babies lying on mattresses in the street. The festival is a celebration of the arrival of spring and the purification of the community's children. El Colacho, Castrillo de Murcia, Spain. Also in Castrillo de Murcia, Spain, the El Colacho festival is a celebration where men dressed as devils run through the streets, jumping over babies lying on mattresses. It's a strange, but thrilling celebration that is a unique part of Spanish culture. These are just a few of the most unusual festivals from around the world. Whether it's throwing tomatoes, jumping over babies, or chasing a wheel of cheese, these celebrations are a testament to the creativity and joy that can be found in every corner of the globe.